Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how excuse me, the FXCM platform works. As you can see, I already have some trades running. Um, this is just a trade that I've been building since the beginning of the week. So I just sold it here and added more here. So that's why you see trades already in here. Excuse me. But basically, we've had a lot of questions on trade size and everything, and it's kind of hard for people to convert from binary trading, and if that's all they've ever known is binary contracts, because it gets you in that sort of binary mindset. It's hard for them to convert over to Forex because it doesn't make a lot of sense coming from binary, right? And that's understandable. So just remember that Forex is actually a lot easier to understand than binary. You don't have to worry about expiry times and things like that, because there's no expiry on these Forex contracts. I've been holding this position. You can see, just to prove it to you, you can see we originally sold this on 11/17, right? 3 times. Look, and we're never out of this trade. We're still in this trade. And I waited for it to consolidate before it dropped again, and I'm looking for it to break new lows. That's the beauty of Forex, is you can get in this position and hold it as long as it takes. Look at these positions here. See where the green arrows are? I entered here, and look how it went up on me and never dropped. I didn't have to worry about that that contract expiring and losing money. I just waited it out because I knew it was going down. And look, finally dropped on me. Now it's reaching the area of new lows. You can see it tapped it here. It's probably going to rise up a little bit tonight before it does burst through those new lows. But when it does, it's going to be a huge payoff for the week. So again, let's get back to that. I just wanted to explain that to you because that's like a precursor of things you need to know for Forex. But basically, when you open your FXCM platform, with this, all you have to do is go to fxcm.com. F as in Frank, X as in X-ray, C as in Charlie, M as in Michael.com, and look up the demo platform. And this is the you can use the MT4 or the trade station. If you're in our trading group and you like to use our indicators that help you understand how and when to trade, all you simply do is you get the MT4 platform and upload that to them. And if you don't have the directions on that, email me and I can send you the directions on how to upload the indicators to your platform. If you don't use indicators like myself, then I prefer the FXCM trading station platform. The order entry is just a lot easier. So just say if we were going in here and buying or selling the Great British Pound US dollar, I'm going with that because that's what we're in right now. So say I wanted to buy it. You just click on buy Great British Pound US dollar. Let's wait for it to pop up. Now let me X out of this because I forgot something. Now you can go to either screen, simple dealing rates, where you can buy and sell right off the screen, right? And see that same order form will pop up. And on these order forms, it'll tell you if you only get one, because these are obviously for people with different size accounts, right? Excuse me, I'm still dealing with this damn cough, so if I pause, it's just so I'm trying not to cough in your ear. But just one, and all you got to do is look here per pip. It says 10 cents per pip, and it tells you how much of money you're using. Used margin $38 of the, $70,000 in equity. All right, and if you go to 2, it'll tell you 20 cents. If you go to 100, or if you go to 10, it's $1 per pip. Now this is what a lot of people is going to trade off of, $1 per pip, because the average account is smaller, not larger, right? So if you want to go more than that, you go up to 100. $10 per pip, that adds up, But that's the different sizes. And then obviously you have to manually put in the other ones, but 200, $20 per pip, right? 1,000, $100 per pip. Now that adds up a lot, you know, but it uses 38,000, so you'd have to have at least a $50,000 account to even consider putting in 1,000, right? That's a big size to trade with. Not a lot of people even trade with that size. So a lot of people watching this video, you won't even have to worry about that till later, till you build up your account. But what a lot of people are going to use is $10 per pip. It may not seem like much, but that adds up. 10 to 50, and that's half a standard lot. And look, $5 per pip. It's always going to tell you per pip. So, you know, if the the market in Great British Pound US dollar moves up from 56.07 to 56.08, that's $1. Or if you're, excuse me, if you're at 10, $1 per pip. So look at the price at Great British Pound US dollar here. We're at 1.5607, right? Remember that in number, that's a tenth of a pip. We don't pay attention to that. In binary, that matters, but in Forex, we're looking for pips, not tenths of a pip. So if you see an extra number on the end of your price here, that's the tenth. All right? What you're looking for is 1.5607, right? So if it goes from 1.506, or if it goes to from 1.5607 to 1.5608, that's one pip. That would be $1, right? And it doesn't seem like much now, but you just understand that that adds up quickly when the market's actually moving. So that's all it is right there. That's all the pips mean. And so you've got your that's your simple dealing rate screen. You've also got your advanced. I like to use advanced. That's what I like to use because look, it's just easy. You just go over here and you buy it. Set it to your size, 10, and then buy. You click buy and it buys. And I'll just do that for you here just to show you. Boom, you're in the trade. Easy as that. So that's $1 a pip, and it bought. So when you're looking to close that trade, it'll pop up, and you just close whatever size you want. See how it says amount? Now you'll be able to choose what amount you want to close. See, it closed out 10 for me because I was long. I was short 1,600, and when I bought it, closed out 10. So it just stays like that. I don't want to confuse you though, so I don't get into that. See what it did? Is when I was already short Great British Pound, because I sold Great British Pound, I wanted to. When you sell, you want price to go down. So it's just like buying a put in binary, right? But it's just more simpler here. If you want the price to go down, you just sell. You know, that means you want it to go down, so you just sell. And you choose your size, and it'll tell you here per pip. Easy as that. You know, $1 per pip. You want it to sell, and when you sell, if you click OK, then you're going to go $1 per pip. So I'll just do another sell for you there. Now we're at 16. So let me kind of think here for a second. Bear with me about what all these stuff I need to go over. Okay, so just when you do your trade, say you have a brand new account and you want to make a trade and you find Great British Pound US dollar and you say, this chart looks like it's going to go down more. Okay, I want to sell it. So what you do is just come over here and sell Great British Pound US dollar. Now you have to look at what size your account is. I mean, if you've got a $50,000 demo account like most people, then you want to at least go like 100 or more. That's $10 a pip, because anything lower than that you wouldn't be really making or losing any money at all. You know, so we'll just come in here and sell that, right? If you want to go more, go more. If you want to go less, go less. But it's going to tell you, you don't have to memorize what 100 means or what 40 means or what 20 means. You don't have to worry about that. It tells you per pip, $2. Done. Sell it. Right? We're not going to do that now because I don't want to mess with my account because we already put 2 trades in just to show you. And it's easy as that. When you want to close your trade, you just come over here to close. Right? And then you close the trade. Bam, boom. If you don't want to close the whole thing, well then you come over here to amount that you want to close. And if you only want to close 200, then you put in 200. Easy as that. Close, okay? I don't want to do that because I don't want to close that trade. But it's easy as that. And there's other pairs here. So here's another good point to make. If you don't see the pair you want to trade here, then you go over here to symbols, right? And you can add in the symbols you want and the symbols you don't want. So again, that's your simple dealing rate screen, which people like to use, but I like to use the advanced one because it's just easier for me. It's got these big buy and sell buttons. You know, it's idiot proof. So basically, if you don't see the currency pair you want to trade here, well, you just go over to symbols, right? And you've got to add in the ones you want. They only allow you so many. So if you've already got them filled, it'll tell you. See, it says, please note, there's a maximum of 20 symbols we can do. So just take off the ones, uncheck the ones you don't want, and check the ones you want, and then just click OK, and it'll put it right here. It's as easy as that. So I think I covered everything, guys. I hope this video helped. This is, again, just one of the basic videos I make, and I'll make many more to come. Just as people tell me what they don't get, then I'll make more videos. But it's really easy, guys. Please do not get discouraged with Forex because it doesn't make sense to you. It's a lot easier than binary, and in a couple weeks after working with me and seeing how easy it is, then you'll notice and you'll get it. Because all it is buying or selling, and you get to hold it as long as you want, and you get to control your risk. Here's another point to make. Is if, say we bought Great British Pound US dollar, $10 a pip, you can set, since you don't have any time frame, right? Look, you just click advanced and your stop loss order, right? If you sell at 56.05 and you don't want it to go any higher than 56.20, then you put that in there, right? That way you don't lose any more than $10. You know, instead of in binary, if you were to put up $100, you know, if you lose that trade, you lose that entire $100. Here, if you put up $100, then you can only lose $10 because you set your stop loss order to 10 pips, and your per pip is $1 a pip. It's as easy as that. So it's a lot better in my eyes, but just bear with us, and you know what you're not understanding, we'll get it figured out. And, you know, like I said, in no time, you're going to think it's just the most simplest thing ever and the best thing ever. So, thanks a lot. I hope this helped, guys.